In this short and quick video, I will show you how to install Plex to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. So if you have an Android TV like mine and want to install Plex to that Android TV, here's the procedure you can follow. Now, first thing first, you might not have Google Play Store or App Store, then do not worry, you are going to use an intermediary application called Downloader. This application helps you sort files from across the internet to your Android TV. All you have to do is to come out to the application and launch it and search the right keyword. You don't download it on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to guide you to get downloaded to your Android TV. So after coming here, type in the right keyword, which is Plex or Plex TV or Plex app. When anyone you're comfortable typing, once you're done, just click on go. Downloader is going to show us where we can download or install Plex from the internet to our smart TV, to our Android TV. So you come over here and scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this is an Android TV, so this option is going to work. So you come over here and click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to lead you to where you can install Plex to your Android TV. So here's the install button. You just have to go over here and click on install, and Plex is going to be installed to your Android TV. Very, very easy. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. And note, this is one of the ways to install Plex using downloader. You can just go to your search bar and type in Plex download or Plex install, and downloader is going to show you various other options to use to install the application to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find it helpful.